Is the dollar-yen pair on the verge of a major breakdown? We've seen a dramatic slide in USDJPY, and today we're diving into the charts to see what's driving the sell-off and what might be next. Looking at the market pulse, the sentiment is overwhelmingly bearish. We've seen a wave of selling pressure that pushed the pair down from its recent peak around the 149.00 mark. A critical battleground was the 147.50 level. Once that support gave way, the floodgates opened, and sellers took control, driving the price down towards the mid-146. So where are the key levels traders are watching? The selling intensified after breaking 147.50, with many targeting the 146.50 to 146.70 zone for their profits. Looking at the charts, we can see clear rejections from resistance levels around 148.20 and the highs near 149.00. On the flip side, some are starting to see potential buying opportunities. We're seeing some bullish interest emerge around the 146.50 support level, with scalpers looking for a quick bounce, while others are looking to enter new long positions around 147.08, betting that the downtrend is losing steam. To sum it all up, the short-term momentum for USDJPY has been decisively negative, fueled by a stronger yen following news of a US-Japan trade agreement and political shifts in Japan. Sellers have been in charge, pushing the price down from 149.0 to test support in the mid-146. The key level of 147.50 has flipped from support to potential resistance. The big question now is whether this bearish momentum will continue. The price is currently sitting on a significant support area. A decisive break below 146.50 could signal another leg down for the pair. However, a strong bounce from this level could indicate that the bears are exhausted and buyers might be ready to step back in. As always, trade smart and keep a close eye on these critical levels.